guys, today for my kitchen I'm gonna show you how we can prepare orange cake. It's so easy and simple. So first step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to preheat my oven about 5 minutes before 280 Celsius, and in that time I'm going to prepare the cake mixture. Okay, so first let's show you the ingredients that we need. We need orange juice. Here I have 180 milliliters, and also I have 120 milliliters of oil. You can use any kind of oil that you like. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use vegetable or canola. We need 6 eggs, white separate and egg yolk separate. We need vanilla, 1 teaspoon, and we need baking powder. Also we need orange zest. By the way, all the ingredients are listed down with the measurements down below in the description box. And we need sugar, we need flour. Okay, so first let's get started to show you the method. Here I have a big bowl, so I'm going to add all the dry ingredients together. I'm gonna add the flour first. 2.5 cups of flour. I'm using plain flour. Here we go. Just added 2.5 cups. And we need 1.5 cup of sugar, so I'm going to add 1 cup now on the flour, 1 cup of sugar, and the rest, half a cup, I'm gonna add it separate because I need to mix it with the white egg and make this fluffy cream. Okay, here we go. So we added 2.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar. Now what I'm going to add, baking powder. Here I have 1 tablespoon, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix them all together, and here we go. Now I'm going to leave them aside, and I'm going to mix the oil and all the liquid ingredients: oil, egg yolk, orange juice, orange zest. Sorry, I keep saying lemon zest. Orange zest, and that smells so yummy. So as you can see, we added the oil and the orange zest and the orange juice with the egg yolk separate. Okay, now here we have the half a cup of sugar. I'm gonna add on them 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You can add vanilla extra, also you can add vanilla powder, the one that you have. Okay, now I'm gonna add 6 white egg. Okay, I'm gonna keep mixing them using the electric whisk. Keep mixing them until you have this beautiful fluffy creamy mixture. So that's why we added the sugar. Look at this beautiful fluffy creamy foam. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna mix, leave them aside. Now I'm gonna mix the orange mixture with the flour. Mix them all together. You can use the electric whisk for this part, or you can just use the spatula or the mixture hand mixer. Perfect. See, look at the mixture is now looks so thick. So now I'm gonna add on them the white creamy part. I'm gonna add first half of the amount and mix them. The secret how to mix this mixture, so you need to fold it. You need to fold them like so, carefully. Look at this beautiful mixture. Okay, and now I'm gonna add the rest. Okay, now I'm gonna keep mixing them, folding the mixture all together. Now the mixture looks so beautiful and smells so delicious with that orange zest. Beautiful. After this, now the mixture is completely different. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Now I'm gonna pour the mixture in a baking tray or baking tin. Here I have this one. I just added butter and a little bit of flour to avoid the cake stick. Okay, I'm gonna pour the mixture. Now the oven is ready on 180 Celsius, as I said. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the mixture and then bake the cake 45 minutes, between 40 to 45 minutes on 180 degree in the oven, and I'll see you after that. Here we go, guys. Look at this beautiful cake. Looks so yummy. Oh my goodness. It took 45 minutes exactly in the oven. So now I'm gonna flip it over. I let it cool, but it's still a little bit warm, seriously. So I let it cool for about half an hour, but it's not enough because it looks so big and so fluffy. So take off the tin now. Oh, look at this beautiful cake. Oh my goodness. Da 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 da. That looks so yummy. Take off this bit and see. Look at this. Oh my goodness. You should try it, guys. You will love it. It's so delicious and smells so yummy with the orange juice. And now you can decorate it with these orange slices. Also, you can make icing and pour it on top of the cake, but I think this is if you like, if you like it to be more sweetie, you can add icing sugar on top. Sometimes I do this, but now I'm gonna keep it like so. Now look at the cake from inside. It's so fluffy. Needs a little bit to be cooled down. I have to leave it 1 hour minimum to cool down from inside. But it's okay. I'm gonna show you the inside. Look at this. Oh my goodness, so spongy, so fluffy. Smells so yummy, guys. All the ingredients are listed down in the description box. Please check it. Also I have same video, but in Arabic, and this is in English. Here we go. Look at this. Hope you like it. Please leave me like and subscribe for more videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you enjoyed this cake. Well, it looks so yummy and so delicious. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe and stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.